It's closing day. Super excited, but they had an emergency. They could not go. Okay, hey, I'm Erika Page with Luxury Living International, and guess what? It's closing day. Super excited, ready to take my clients out to dinner, but they had an emergency. They could not go. Well, listen, I've been meaning to get to this restaurant. I already had a reservation, so I called up my bestie and we checked it out. Finally had the smash burger, amazing, not always on the menu, but good. Skip those Brussels sprouts, y'all. That's a no. But everything else was beautiful, especially that lemon drop martini. And here's the full-length mirror in the bathroom. Certainly enjoyed that. I had myself a good little time there. I think you guys will really, really enjoy this restaurant. I'm going to try again with them next week because I hate that they missed out. But I'm telling you, beautiful restaurant, hardwood floors and leather seats and mood lighting. It was great. I ended my evening with a Pellegrino. Who's next?